This is the BMW Accessories Digital Rearview Mirror for the BMW 7 Series. It offers free vision via the installed camera in the rear window whilst using the theater screen or the rear shade. This is how it works. It looks and acts like a classic rear mirror. To switch to the camera view, pull the lever towards you. Viewing the traffic behind you while driving or parking in is now easy without the need of folding up the panoramic vision. Let's set up the mirror to your needs using these 3 buttons on the right-hand side of the mirror. Pressing the left button, marked with the setup symbol, opens the main menu for display brightness, sway, tilt, and rotation of the display. Scroll down in the menu via the left button again and confirm via the middle button. In the corresponding menu, here, for example, the picture rotation, the middle button rotates the image anti-clockwise, and the right button rotates the mirror clockwise. The position is indicated by the slider. Confirm via the left button, and leave the menu via the right button again. Done. As a side note, the buttons on the left side can be used for HomeLink car-to-home automations. Enjoy hassle-free vision, and continue watching our how-to series to get the most out of your BMW.
You bought the ultimate driving machine. Good for you. Now let's make sure you're using all of it. Tap one of these videos to unlock the full potential.